हंसना फजूल में बंद करो बेटा, टाइम जाया नहीं करो। बस अब सिर्फ मुझे उस बंदे की आवाज आनी चाहिए जो अब प्रेजेंट कर रहा होगा, जो बोल रहा होगा।
हेलो मैम, आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है।
Hello everyone, this is Jagam Abbas. Today my topic is SLV. SLV means Space Launch Vehicle. And this is my group member name is Block mentioned. Wasiuddin, leader, Mohammad Nisam Raza, Syed Ahmed, Tehmur Iftikhar, Ilas Wajat Ali Khan. Our presentation table of content are sharing in this screen of you people. First one is introduction of SLV, history of SLV, expanding human frontier of discoveries, type of SLVs, stages of SLVs, how rocket works, problem in launch, how much space launch system cost, benefits
एक
of
मिनट, एक
SLV.
मिनट।
Yes, ma'am.
बैकग्राउंड में शोर बहुत है। किस चीज का शोर है?
मैम वो फैन चल
जो तुम्हारी वॉल्यूम है ना, मुझे जो तुम बोल रहे हो समझ में नहीं आएगा, बाकी सबको भी।
मैम बात रिपीट कर दूं?
हाँ, अब नहीं, अब स्टार्ट करो बस।
इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट कर डायरेक्ट?
नहीं नहीं, बस स्टार्ट करो, सही है अब।
ओके, इसका वॉल्यूम बंद हो गया। हाँ, ज़ूम ओपन कर। एक मिनट मैम, ज़ूम ओपन करो।
देखो, अगर बाकी सबका स्पीकर अगर ऑन है ना तो वो ऑफ कर दें प्लीज। स्पीकर किसी का ऑन नहीं होना चाहिए, माइक अपना सब ऑफ रखें।
ठीक है मैम, हो गया। ओके, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट से स्टार्ट करें दोबारा से।
जी जी।
Our table of content represent our presentation is Space Launch Vehicle. Introduction of SLV, history of SLV, expanding human frontier of discoveries, type of SLV, stages of SLV, how rocket works, problem in launch, how much space launch system cost, benefit of SLV, prominent SLVs, from potential of Pakistan has got with regard to SLVs, recent Mars mission, and in the last conclusion. Introduction of SLV definition. The space launch vehicle is a transport to get to know about beyond the Earth's atmosphere, either the orbit or some different place or destination in the other space or universe, and to determine the information about mystery of different objects present in the universe. Launching is dependent on the orbit of satellite. To be launched mean that when the process of a space launch vehicle is working perfectly, so the satellite launch into the orbit and work correctly in well manner. Satellites are directly injected into lower Earth orbit with the help of launch vehicles, which means that when the process of launching space vehicle is performed perfectly, working so that we have to inject satellite into lower Earth orbit, where the satellite work correctly and get information about the beyond the Earth. Shuttle flying into orbit are inclined at 28.5 degrees to the equator of Earth's surface. Rocket have capability to keep satellite into orbit which are above 120 miles from Earth's surface. Our history of SLV is Chelyabinsk late in the 19th century was the first to perceive the requirement for rockets to be built with discrete stages if they somehow manage to accomplish orbital speed. Orbit Exemplary 1923 books, The Rocket into Interplanetary Space, clarified the scientific hypothesis of rocketry and applied the hypothesis to rocket structure. Orbit works likewise from the formation of various rocket clubs in Germany. Goddard was the first to construct test fluid-filled rocket, his first rocket, propelled in Auburn, Massachusetts on March 16, 1926, rose 12.5 meter 41 feet and YH 56 meter 184 feet from its starting spot. Why expanding humanity frontier of discoveries? Nation explore space because it don't know how the beyond the Earth's surface and atmosphere of the Earth and then process performing operation to get to solve the mystery of the universe and get to know the knowledge about the universe and unseen thing which is present in our universe that we don't have to see by naked eye. Then we have to use telescope to see the far object and to determine the respective property. To performing the operation, the public engagement must be play a vital role to spread the news of performing operation and they get scientific knowledge to spread a mind determination about universe and to explore new things and prepare a new industries and instrument to operate a new technology and make a good result. Safely fly and retire the space shuttle and maintain safe access for human to low Earth orbit. As we fully utilize the International Space Station globally partnership is backbone to the whole the research budget and to minimize the wealth ratio burden across partners. Nation security is the basic thing for a nation is depend on the latest technology. Used by a nation lay the foundation for human in deep space the moon. Asteroid eventually Mars through development of a powerful available Space Launch Vehicle (SLS) and multi-purpose crew vehicles. Economic prosperity play a vital role for performing nation who perform this operation. If operation is successful, so the economy is speed up to high rate. If it falls, so the country economic less and down ratio in the stock market. To reach for new heights and reveal the unknown so that what we do and learn will benefits all mankind. Humanity interest in the heaven has been universally and enduring. Humans are driven to explore the unknown, discoveries, new world, push the boundaries of our scientific and technical limits, and then push further. The intangible desire to explore and challenge the boundary of what we know and where we have has provided benefit to our society for centuries. Then I would like to call Mohammad Misam brother to continue this presentation and describe further more information about SLV.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Now I will present the type of and stages of the vehicle. There are two type of vehicles: expandable like launch vehicle and reusable launch vehicle. An expandable launch vehicle is used to carry a payload into space. The vehicle used in expandable launch system are designed to be used only once. That is, they are expanded during a single flight. Their components are not covered for use after the launch. Now we have to see in the picture. It shows an expandable launch vehicles process when it lifts off it how to launch the process vehicles. After cover of some height at first stage is split into two parts. First one is MECO stand for main engine cut off and second one stage is second stage ignition. When the split MECO is moved toward down the earth so that its body burned due to uncontrolled speed, it covered to the ground, and the booster breakdown cause of burning body. In the second stage, it is split into two parts. First one is fairing suppression, and the second one is SECO. Second stage engine cut off after the completing the second stage splitting. Then we have to launch satellite or a payload. Now, the reusable a reusable launch system capable of launching a payload into space more than once. No completely reusable orbital launch system. The space shuttle was partially reusable space shuttle main engine to solid rocket booster, where you reuse after several months of refitting work for each launch. The external tank and launch vehicle load frame were discarded after each flight. Now we have to see the picture of the reusable launch system. It shows the reusable vehicle process when it lifts off. It shows to launch vehicle and after cover some height at first stage. Solid fuel booster split separation and move toward the ground. When it moves toward the ground, its nose direction down, altitude and waiting for turn nose direction into upward side. So that the nose direction is upward and we have to open parachute and to save the burning process. And we will use it another time of launching in another project. At second stage, MECO main engine cut off and the external tank which is stick on MECO. When the split part external tank is moved toward the earth so that its body burned due to uncontrolled speed. It covered to the ground and a tank breakdown called a burning body. In the last stage, we have to launch orbital maneuvering system carry a payload. Now we will move toward the stages of the vehicles. We see the picture. The first stage of the vehicle contains fuel that is needed to lift the satellite and the launch vehicle off the ground and into the sky. The rocket have to be very powerful because a launch vehicle at lift of weight 100 of ton. After all the fuel has been used up, the first stage is no longer needed and break off and fall to the ground. The second stage contains smaller rocket that ignite after the first stage is finished. The rocket of the second stage have their animation tank. The second stage is used to send a satellite into space. Like the first stage, break off after all the fuel has been used up and burn up in the Earth atmosphere or falls back. The upper stage of the launch vehicle is connected to the satellite itself, which is enclosed in a metal shield called a fairing. The fairing protects the satellite while it is being launched and make it easier for the launch vehicle. To travel through the resistance of the Earth's atmosphere, the fairing split apart once the satellite is above the atmosphere and burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. The rocket of the upper stage fire after the satellite in its space and put the satellite in the exact spot where it is needed. Once the launch vehicle is out of the Earth's atmosphere, the satellite separated from the upper stage. The satellite is then sent into a transfer orbit that sends a satellite higher into the space. When the satellite reaches the desired orbital height, it unfurls its solar panel and communication. Antennas which had been stored away during the flight, the satellite then take its place in orbit with other satellite and ready to provide communication to the public. And now I will like to call our good partner Basi for further description.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Now we are talking about how rocket works. Phenomena to launch the rocket vehicle. According to Newton's second law of motion, some energy is required to move the rocket and start off. हमें कुछ ना कुछ एनर्जी चाहिए होती है रॉकेट को स्टार्ट करने के लिए. वो अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत, अपने सफर की शुरुआत सिर्फ लॉन्च व्हीकल से नहीं कर सकता. हमें कुछ ना कुछ डायरेक्शन उसकी चेंज करने के लिए उसकी एक्सेलरेशन चाहिए होती है, उस पे फोर्स हमें अप्लाई करनी पड़ती है, तब जाकर वो अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकता है, अपनी इस जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकता है. The satellite stays in orbit because it still has momentum energy it's picked up from the rocket pulling in one direction. Earth gravity pull it in another direction. This balance between gravity and momentum keeps the satellite orbit in Earth. Now looking toward the mechanism of SLV. This is one video. वीडियो की आवाज नहीं आ रही। अब this video will show you beautiful photos of Earth captured by spacecraft. अब हम बात करते हैं कि रॉकेट कैसे हम बियॉन्ड द अर्थ सप्लाई कर सकते हैं, भेज सकते हैं. It start off with a rocket and everything else on earth is down by earth gravity. जैसा कि वीडियो में हमने दिखाया कि हर चीज ग्रेविटी की वजह से डाउनवर्ड मूव करती है, डाउनवर्ड अट्रैक्ट करती है. However, principle for propulsion push away from earth and against gravity. This create a force called thrust. Rocket needs enough fuel and at least 17,800 miles per hour velocity to go outside of Earth and stay in orbit. Next, rocket will release spacecraft. After the rocket will release spacecraft, when that happen depends on where you go. अब इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स इन लॉन्चिंग, कि हमें किस किस टाइप की और कैसी कैसी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती हैं जब किसी भी स्पेस शटल को हम लॉन्च करते हैं. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर प्रेजेंटेशन. नंबर 1 वाइब्रेशन, नंबर 2 emission of gases, number 3 weather at launching time. Now we're talking about vibration. Vibration is a common problem. All solid rockets, including those used to launch space shuttle, disturbance create inflow of fuel in the first stage of rocket fire and circulation of gas in rocket chamber behind the speeding boat. Vibration occur due to disturbance of fuel and gas circulation. वाइब्रेशन जो हमारी है ये क्रिएट इसी वजह से होती है कि वो डिस्टर्बेंस, फ्यूल में जो डिस्टर्बेंस पैदा होता है और उसके अलावा गैस, वो रॉकेट चैम्बर में जो गैस जनरेट होती है हमारी, उस वजह से हमारी वाइब्रेशन पैदा होती है उसके अंदर. नाउ वी आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड इमिशन ऑफ गैस, अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लॉन्चिंग. The most common gaseous emission are water vapor and carbon dioxide from liquid and solid fuel, as well as hydrochloric acid from only solid fuel. Number 3, weather at launching time. High wind near the ground or atmosphere can be forced to postpone the launch due to possible control problem for the rocket as it speed into space. If weather observation near the launch pad reach or exceed 34 mph, it means 30 knots, the launch will be disturbed. और उस अगर हम मतलब 34 mph की विंड होगी हमारी उस टाइम लॉन्च व्हीकल, जब हम लॉन्च कर रहे होंगे रॉकेट को या कोई भी एजेंसी लॉन्च करती है, और इस टाइम एट दिस मोमेंट अगर 34 mph की विंड हो तो हमारा लॉन्च व्हीकल डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, हमें सिस्टम डाउन करना पड़ेगा अपना कुछ टाइम के लिए. Now I would like to call one of my partner, Zaid Ahmed.
Now, further detail is the presentation is how much costly Action make. NASA has quietly made public that the development of its giant rocket, the Space Launch System (SLS), is now budgeted at $9.1 billion. Ground systems to support the missions are budgeted at a further $2.4 billion. As pointed out by Ars Technica, the new development cost represent a 33% increase in the cost of the mission. लॉन्च व्हीकल में जो सबसे मेन जो चीज़ होती है, 3 चीज़ें इंक्लूड होती हैं, जिसमें नंबर 1 है इंजन, उसका इंजन जो होता है, नंबर 2 पे है प्रोपेलेंट, स्टोरेज एंड पंप्स, एंड नंबर 3 गाइडेंस एंड कंट्रोल. नाउ द बेनिफिट ऑफ एसएलवी के क्या फायदे हैं? The world already benefit greatly from space technology, especially in terms of communications, positioning services, Earth observation, and economic activity related to government-funded space programs. Humanity outer space capability has grown remarkably since 1957 when Sputnik was launched. The world's commercial space capabilities are quickly expanding beyond our satellite industry, which over the last year already brought in more than $277 billion in global revenues. इसके 4 सबसे मेन बेनिफिट होते हैं एसएलवी के, जिसमें से पहला है अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन फॉर वेदर प्रेडिक्शन एंड क्लाइमेट मॉनिटरिंग, यानी कि हमारी अर्थ का जो वेदर होता है उसको प्रेडिक्ट करना और उसके क्लाइमेट को क्या क्या चेंज होता है, ये इससे सबसे बड़ा फायदा है. नंबर 2 पे है अर्थ रिसोर्सेज ऑब्जर्वेशन. नंबर 3 पे आता है स्पेस बेस्ड कम्युनिकेशन सर्विसेज, के स्पेस से हम किस तरह से लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं, इसकी सर्विसेज, ये सबसे बड़े फायदे में से एक है. नंबर 4 स्पेस बेस्ड पोजिशनिंग, नेविगेशन एंड टाइमिंग, PNT सर्विसेज. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल Taimur Iftikhar.
सम फेमस व्हीकल, स्पेस लॉन्च व्हीकल. सबसे पहले आता है हमारे पास एरियान 5. It is operated by European Space Agency ESA, launched from Guyana Space Center in French Guiana. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है दूसरे नंबर पे डेल्टा 2. This spacecraft is launched by United Launch Alliance from Cape Canaveral, US. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है Titan 4. Titan 4 is the US launch vehicle. It emerged as a vehicle to carry the military payloads which were designing for launching shuttle. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है Atlas 5. Atlas 5 belong to the rocket family and also the US launch vehicle. It has successfully launched mission to Mars. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है H2. H2 is the Japanese heavy lift launch vehicle by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. उसके बाद हमारे पास सबसे बड़ा स्पेस लॉन्च व्हीकल आता है, उसका नाम है स्पेस शटल. इट इज द फर्स्ट रीयूजेबल लॉन्च व्हीकल बाय नासा. उसके बाद व्हाट कैपेबिलिटी टेक्नोलॉजी पाकिस्तान हैज गॉट विद रिगार्ड्स टू एसएलवी. सुपारको स्पेस एंड अपर एटमॉस्फेयर रिसर्च कमीशन इन 1961 मेड पाकिस्तान अ नोन कंट्री इन स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी बाय डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम. सुपारको जो है ये कंपनी स्पेस साइंस से रिलेटेड, ये डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम साहब ने डेवलप की थी. Rahbar 1 was the first rocket launched by Pakistan Space Agency named as Suparko on 7 June 1962. Pakistan first satellite Badr 1 was launched from China in 1990. क्योंकि पाकिस्तान के पास अपनी कोई लॉन्च साइट नहीं है, इसलिए पाकिस्तान ने अपनी तकरीबन सारी की सारी सैटेलाइट चाइना के जरिए भेजी हैं स्पेस में. In 2011, Suparko launched ParkSat 1R, an upgraded version of ParkSat 1 in China. In April 2019, Pakistan and China signed an agreement on space exploration, which is a step ahead taken to promote space technology in Pakistan. उसके बाद हमारे पास आता है कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ स्पेस साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट. पाकिस्तान स्पेस साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम इज बेस्ड ऑन 4 components. Establishment of ground station. Establishment of ground stations and use of scientific data including imagery of the earth for natural resources survey, as well as reception on and study of very low and high frequency communication signal. Establishment of satellite tracking. ये दूसरा कंपोनेंट है. Establishment of satellite tracking facilities such as optical radar and laser tracking stations. उसके बाद तीसरा कंपोनेंट हमारे पास है लॉन्चिंग ऑफ मल्टीपर्पज सैटेलाइट्स। लॉन्चिंग ऑफ मल्टीपर्पज सैटेलाइट्स फॉर पॉइंट टू पॉइंट टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, टीवी ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एंड साइंटिफिक ऑब्जर्वेशन। उसके बाद चौथा हमारे पास कंपोनेंट है वो है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स। डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स एंड कंप्लीट सैटेलाइट और स्पेस लॉन्च व्हीकल्स। उसके बाद मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क फील्ड, सुपारको's मेन वर्क फील्ड इज SRS, also known as satellite remote sensing. Currently, research and development work on SRS applications to meet Pakistan's specific needs was undertaken. Several projects in the areas of agriculture, water resources management, mapping, surveying, environmental monitoring, disaster management, and vegetation, etc. were undertaken. Some of the major projects are listed below. सबसे पहले कुछ ये इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो रिमोट सेंसिंग के जरिए किए जाते हैं। क्रॉप मॉनिटरिंग एंड यील्ड फोरकास्टिंग, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ जियोग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम फॉर वाटर कोर्सेज मॉनिटरिंग अंडर द नेशनल प्रोग्राम फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर कोर्सेज, सर्वे ऑफ कराची सर्कुलर रेलवेज टू अपडेट मैप एंड आइडेंटिफाई एनक्रोचमेंट, environmental assessment of power projects, strategic country environment impact assessment, environmental monitoring at DHA Karachi waterfront development project, disaster monitoring and vegetation support during the earthquake of 2005 and the floods of 2000 and 2010, assessment of breaches in the left bank outfall drain LBOD and their environmental impact, flood inundation profiling, land use mapping of Pakistan and AJK, support to the National Highway Authority for surveying, monitoring of mangrove forests along the coast of Pakistan, mapping and GIS of the Kacho area of River Indus in the province of Sindh, vehicle tracking and fleet management solution. इसके बाद मैं वजहात को बुलाना चाहूँगा।
Assalamu alaikum. Before ending, we all should know about some recent Mars mission. Arab successfully has joined the race of mission stepping towards Mars. EMM is developed by Space Agency and built at Bin Rashid Space Center, stands for MBRSC. These projects compare the ancient and current weather of Mars. The recharging purpose, 600-watt solar panel are used in this. 3-axis satellite has an antenna comprised of dish used to communicate the mission control. The spacecraft is launched on Japanese rocket named H2A-202 and expected to reach Mars in 2021. Now, conclusion of this whole presentation is, the purpose of this presentation is to clarify the potential advantage of space-based capabilities forever on Earth from environmental, social, and economic views, including space activity having a positive impact today, such as Earth observation for weather changes and climate, and many more other benefits. Pakistan capability to develop business in space field and how to get benefits identified with that field. We believe that the advantages that humanity currently derives from space plus the vast anticipated future benefits describing during this presentation overwhelmingly support the case for the continued exploration, development, and settlement of space. Now, thanking you all of you for the presentation, present you in this presentation. Kindly ask any question if you have any query. That's all.
चलो भाई जिसको
from our
सवाल
side.
करना है वो सवाल करें।
That's all from my side.
अगर पाकिस्तान भी अपने सैटेलाइट खुद बनाना शुरू कर दे तो हम पता नहीं कहाँ हों।
अभी नहीं, अभी।
हेलो
जी आवाज आ रही है
जी मैम।
जिसको अब सिर्फ होस्ट वजाहत ही था तो किसी का कभी कभी तो किसी का पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि जो है कौन आ रहा है कौन जा रहा है। लगता है सब एक ही साथ एक ही बंदा बोला चला जा रहा है।
नहीं मैम, इसी वजह से एंड में स्क्रिप्ट हमने ऐड की थी कि सपोज करें जो फर्स्ट पर्सन जाएगा वो सेकंड पर्सन का नाम कॉल करके जाएगा ताकि फ्लो खराब ना हो।
हाँ, लेकिन पता नहीं चल रहा था क्योंकि एक ही लय में सारे चल रहे थे, सबकी आवाजें एक जैसी लग रही थी।
जी मैम।
अगर जो लोग यहाँ मौजूद हैं उनमें से किसी को सवाल करना है तो वो अपना माइक ऑन करके सवाल कर सकते हैं। सारे के सारे ग्रुप मेंबर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं, इन लोगों की बजाओ सही से, ये लोग बहुत तंग करते हैं।
यस मैम, वैसे भी आखिरी दिन है, कोई भी सवाल कर ले, हम तो बदला नहीं लेंगे।
नहीं नहीं, जो सवाल करना है करो। कोई सवाल नहीं है किसी का? टाइम हो गया है, मेरे ख्याल से मीटिंग हम यही एंड करते हैं। ठीक है। ठीक है, मुझे नेक्स्ट लोगों की भी प्रेजेंटेशंस देनी है, तो उन जो रिपीटर्स की है तो मैं उनकी बेटा पर्सनली लूंगी, मैं उन लोगों की आप लोगों के साथ नहीं लूंगी। उन लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट है कि मैं उन लोगों की अलग लूं। ठीक है, चलिए ठीक है, अल्लाह हाफिज, मैं लीव कर रही हूँ।
अल्लाह हाफिज।
Beautiful photos of Earth and solar system captured by spacecraft. Now, how we send spacecraft far away from Earth? It starts with a rocket and everything else on Earth is down by Earth gravity. Rocket principle for propulsion push away from Earth and against gravity. This create a force called thrust. Rocket need enough fuel and at least 17,800 miles per hour velocity to go outside of Earth and stay in orbit. Next, rocket will release spacecraft.